What's up guys, it's me, your Geek from Hong Kong, aka Umair Ramay. So I love my Huawei Honor Note 10. Again, this video is not sponsored. I live in Hong Kong. Huawei never invited me to a single press event, even in China, Shenzhen, Guangzhou. So, but I'm a big fan of Huawei Honor Note 10. Now here are the 10 tips and trick. Literally the number 10 is the storage cleanup. Just go to Phone Manager. Just go to Phone Manager, click Clean Up. Bayanara, it will clean the storage for you. As you can see, check for uncheck. It clean your phone. And number 9 is phone clone. Literally, yeah, phone clone. You can have multiple apps running at the same time, which is literally one of the best thing I have seen. You see, go to phone clone. So here you can enable the phone clone. You are running to WhatsApp, to Viber. Literally, I love it. And number 8 is show media and show hidden media and files. Go to the files manager. Click setting. So now turn on the hidden. Some of the files you can hide. Maybe someone cannot see. Amazing. And number 7 is you can add games to the game suite. Go to the game suite. Yeah, not game center. Now you can add the games here, and I click the turbo button. Bayanara, your game is running like super fast. And number 7 is the ice comfort. Let me turn the ice comfort. Now I can easily read, or even I can make it more warmer or cooler. Let me turn off. I love the ice comfort feature. And number 5 is one of the app come in the top apps. Go to Kwai. I love this app. There's so many funny videos. Maybe some kind of this video. Literally, I love it. And number 4 is document scan. Go to the camera. Okay, go to the camera. Once you're at the camera, click more. Click document scan. Now easily you can scan the document within the camera. Number 3, stop force app. You can easily apps to be stopped if they are causing like problem draining battery. Go to setting and apps. Go to apps. Maybe I want to stop calculator. Click for stop. The calculator will stop. Number 3 I literally love. And number 2, go to setting again. This is called smart resolution. There's a huge difference between like using a phone on a full resolution. Okay, let me go to the smart resolution. Now I'm using the phone on full HD, which is draining battery. HD, which will drain less battery. Or I want to compromise between both. To I use smart resolution, which always try to render the phone at 1080p. When it know I'm watching something like 720p, it automatically change. And number 1 best feature, it can record in 4K. The front facing camera in 4K. Literally, go to video. Now go to front camera. As you can see my front camera. Click the video size. Now you can see it can record in 4K. So yeah, this was the 10 hidden tips and trick on the Huawei Honor Note 10. Check out the links in the description box. But it was me, Geek. Subscribe and